What's up, everybody? It's John from 3 Guys 1 Puck, and today we are going to break a box of 1819 SP Hockey, most commonly found at Walmart. We got 8 packs. Let's hop into it, shall we?
Hop into it.
Is that a thing?
Not at all.
Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let's just get into it. You like the sound of that?
No, I don't. That makes me uncomfortable.
You know what? No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
You are so slow. Come on.
Oh, I'm working on it. So let's talk about what we want. Personally, I would like a Kotkaniemi signature again, or a Kotkaniemi jersey, or a
numbered
Kotkaniemi.
I mean that as well. Elias Pettersson will do. I'm a big fan of Robert Thomas as well, so let's get into that. That's my card. Wink, wink. Let's get into the first pack.
Bada boom.
Ooh.
Oh,
Rough go.
look at that.
Highlight of the box right there.
Starting off with Braden Shen, Justin Williams Blue,
Isn't even playing right now.
Austin Matthews Authentic Profiles, Sidney Crosby, Crosby, Cam Talbot. Irrelevant. Pack 2.
Two dose. Oh, look at that. Jamie Benn.
Alright. Mikko Rantanen, Nikita Kucherov, Miro Heiskanen Rookie Authentics.
Nice.
It's a good double to get. Artemi Panarin, Jamie Benn. Let's get into the next pack. Let's start off with Kyle Connor, Bo Horvat, Christian Vesalainen, Rookie Authentics. Okay, so Rookie Authentics have been very good to me thus far. So let's hope that carries into our big card. Oh my god! And then we have a numbered authentic profiles. Austin Matthews, 250 of 649.
I have one too.
That's a nice number
Wow.
to get.
I don't think I have a numbered authentic profiles, so that's really cool. Of all the boxes I've gotten, this is my first one.
Nice.
And you've gotten a lot.
I've bought too many of these boxes, unfortunately. But Teuvo Teravainen to wrap that one up. Oh, come on.
You got it, buddy.
Oh, buddy's
can do
buddy's
it.
on the back, Mr. Austin Matthews. Speak of the devil.
Wow, this is a Matthews box.
Apparently, unfortunate. As the Habs fan.
You saying you wouldn't
Go
like a
Kotkaniemi.
Matthews
I mean,
auto?
it is what it is, right? Like, it's a sick auto to have, but it's, you know, controversial. Alex Tuck, Alex Galchenyuk, Ryan Ellis Blue, Evan Bouchard, Rookie Authentics, and Austin Matthews. Into pack 5? Into pack 5.
See.
James Van Riemsdyk, Alex Ovechkin Blue, Warren Fogle Rookie Authentics. I think this is my 5th one.
Oh, boy.
Alexander Radulov and Ricard Raquel.
Hey, if he pans out.
Hey,
There you
true.
go.
It was really good last year, and
Oh
Carolina's
my
a
goodness.
force.
I am just blowing up these packs.
What else
Yeah.
is new?
Oh.
Anthony Mantha, Dominic Hasek, Jeff Skinner Blue, Max Domi Authentic
Yeah.
Profiles.
You have a few of those.
I have a couple. Connor Hellebuck. 2 packs left.
2 more packs. 25% of the box
This is
left
it.
for all you
This is
mathematicians.
Yeah.
All of them out there.
That's crazy. Jeff Carter, Blake Wheeler, Michael Rasmussen, Rookie Authentics,
I think there's some.
Vincent Trocheck, and Leon Draisaitl. And the
Oh,
last
boy.
pack. Can
Last
we
pack
get...
mojo, it's
This
gotta
does not
be.
feel like a jersey.
Doesn't have to be a jersey.
Hey.
Auto.
Maybe. Can we go for the repeat? Max Domi, Alex DeBrincat, Wayne Gretzky
Scared me
Blue.
for a
You
second
just
there.
pooped your pants a little bit. And a Dylan Sekera Rookie Authentics.
Aw.
Unfortunately, no big hit in this box. William Carlson to rock.
One pull.
Just the one serial numbered card. That is unfortunate, I guess you could say.
Yikes.
And then I also got 2 rookie or authentic profiles, not rookies. Austin Matthews, the regular one compared to the numbered, and good old reliable Max Domi. And the rookie authentics. Oh, and Dylan Sakura, which was the last pull. But we got Miro Heiskanen, Christian Vesalainen, Michael Rasmussen, Warren Fogle, and Evan Bouchard. But that will wrap it up for today. If you've been following our videos the last few days, we are currently doing a promotion where every sub we get, we're going to donate $1 to Movember. So if you like our content, give it a subscribe. We're trying to hit 500. That's our target. So yeah, give the video likes, comment what you thought. Give the video a like. Comment what you think about the serial number card that I pulled. And yeah, hit that subscribe button.